Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a graph paper template in Excel program. So friends, to create and make a graph paper template in Excel program, there is very simple and easy method. Firstly, select by pressing Ctrl A. So select all, and after that right click on any row number. I will right click on number 1 in a row, then click on row height. Now type 12, then click on OK. Now similarly, right click on any column letter, then click on column width. So friends, you need to type 1.44, then click on OK. Now friends, click on page layout, then click on margins. Now click on custom margins. Now in all side make 0.5. So top, bottom, right and left. So set 0.5 in all side. Check both box. Center on page horizontally and vertically. So check both box. Then click on OK. Now friends, if you want to print this graph, so you need to select all by pressing Ctrl A. Then click on Home, and underneath Font, click on this drop down menu icon. So this dialog box will open. In here click on border, then select all border. Now click on OK. Now click on print by pressing Ctrl P. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method, you can create a graph paper template in Excel program. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.